Project management is a rapidly growing profession, and organisations are becoming more and more project-focused for success. They are demanding disciplined and consistent approaches to carry out projects, and professionals who are skilled and experienced in the discipline to lead project teams. This diploma is an asset that will distinguish you in the job market, enhance your credibility, and highlight your unique value offering. Over 15 weeks you will learn about the knowledge areas that make up project management, people management and leadership skills, the process flows to enable successful project delivery, how to control cost, scope, time and quality, and operating projects in an agile environment. Project management is a core competence for organisational and for national competitiveness. Successful completion of the programme leads to the following outcomes: a diploma in project management, a special purpose award at level 8 on the National Framework of Qualifications, IPMA level D, Certified Project Management Associate. Why not upskill with world-class credentials? The Certified Project Management Diploma. Enroll now.